Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how slicing works in the Python. So suppose we have a variable a. In this variable we have a string Python. Okay. So index of Python will start from 0th index. P will be at 0th index. Y will be at 1 index. 2 will at second index. T will be there at 3 index. H will be there and 4th index. O will be there and fifth index and will be there. And negative indexing also supported into the Python. So -1 will represent the n, -2 will represent O. See, positive indexes starts from the 0 and negative indexes start from -1. Okay, up to the first character in the string. So suppose we have a variable a equal to Python string. Then suppose I want to print a of 0, then it will print p. At 0th index p is there. Okay, if I want to print 5, a of 5, then at 5 index n is there, so it will print n. Suppose I want to print a of 2, then at a of 3, then at third index h is there. Okay, at third index h is there, so it will print h. Similarly, if I want to print -1, then at -1 index n is there, so it will print n. And suppose I want to print -4, so t is there at -4, so it will print t. Similarly for -6 it will print p. Okay, and we have the syntax of slicing. Okay, this is the syntax: start, then we have stop, then we have step. So we have start, then we have stop, then we have step. This is the syntax of slicing in the Python. Okay, so suppose I have this string a, and I want to start from the 0th index, so I will write the 0th index. Okay, and stop will be the value -1. Okay, so it will start from the start point, start index, and stop will be stop value -1. So suppose if I give stop value as is 5, so my stop index will be stop value -1, so stop value is 5. So last index will be stop value 5 -1, so it will be 4. So my start index will be p, and it will go up to the 4th index. Okay, so it will print pytho. Okay, pytho. Let's run this program and see the output. So it is printing pytho. Okay, suppose I want to print the whole list, then I have to enter the list a stop index up to the length of the list. Okay, so my length of the list is 6, so I have to write 6. So stop value, this is a 0 will be the start value, and 6 is a end value -1. 6 will be the stop value -1. So stop value -1, 6 -1, 5. So it will print characters from 0th index to the 5th index. So let's run this program and see the output. It is printing Python. Okay, suppose I want to start from the third index to 6th index. So it will start from third index. Third index we have h, and sixth index -1, it will be 5. H to 5, HON. Okay, okay. Suppose I want to start from the second index. From second index t will be there, THON. Okay, it will print THON. And suppose if I write 10 here, then what it will print? Let's execute this program and see the output. So it is printing thon only, because we have written stop value as a 10. Stop value, so last index will be 10 -1, 9. So it will start from the second index. It will start from second index t, and it will go up to ninth index. So but we have only characters till the 5th index, so it will print the characters till the 5th index. And suppose if we don't write anything here, so it will be my start point. Okay, and this is my start index, and if I don't write anything here, then it will go up to the last character. So it will start from t and it will print till n. So thon is printed. And suppose if I want to start from the zeroth index, then it will start from the P and it will go up to the last character. So Python will be printed. If I don't mention any value into the start, and if I don't mention any value into the stop also, then it will print the whole list. Python. So same thing we can do with the negative index also. Suppose start from the -6. So -6, it will start from the -6 and it will go up to the last character. So it will start from P, it will go up to the last character. So it will print Python. And suppose I wanted to start from the -4. So it will start from the T, okay, and it will go up to the last character N. So it will print thon, thon. And suppose if I want to print a value up to the O only, so I have to write -1. So my stop value is -1. Okay, stop value is -1, and my index will become stop value -1. So -1 will become C. My stop value is -1, and I have to decrement one more value. So -1 will become -2. It will become -2. So my last index will become -2. So it will print till O only. So it will start from the -4th index T, and it will print the string till O, because -2 is there at the O index only. So it will print till O. Suppose my stop value is -2. So my last index will be stop value -1. Stop value is -2 and -1. So it will become -3. So is my stop last index will be -3. So I will start from the -4th index T, and I will print up to -3rd index TH. Okay. So let's execute this program and see the output. Suppose if I don't mention anything here, so it will start from the 0th index. Okay, and it will print up to -2 index. -2 -1 will be -3. It will print up to H. Okay, so it will print Pyth. If I give here 0, so my value is 0, stop value is 0. So 0 -1, it will become -1. So nothing will be printed. So I can't provide 0 as a last index. If I provide 0, then it will stop at the 0 index itself. My last index will become 0 itself. Okay. So it won't print anything. So if I say -4, then my stop value will be -4. -4 -1, it will become -5. So my start index is 0, and I want to print up to -5 index. So it will print py. See here. So this is how negative index works in the slicing. Now we can see the step value also, because we have seen the examples of the start and stop. Now we want to see the step also. So if I don't mention anything, so it will print Python whole string. Okay. Okay. And if I give step like 1, by default step value is 1. So we were not providing any value of the step. So by default step value is 1. So if we provide the default value, so it will print Python only. Okay. And if I provide 2 here, so it will start from the 0th index up to it will go to last index, but it will not print. It will print the characters. It will print the alternate characters, because from 0th index it will directly it will take a step of second index. So it will directly go to the second index T. It will print P, then T, then again it will take step 2, then it will go to O, then it will print O, then it will go to the steps 2. Step 2 will be 6. 4 plus 2 will be 6, and we don't have any character at the 6th index. So it will print P, then T, then O. Okay, let's execute this program. PTO. Suppose if I provide three step here, so it will start from the zeroth index p, then it will go to 0 plus 3 step, 0 plus step, 0 plus 3, it will become 3, so it will print h. 3 plus 3, it will become 6. So at 6th index we don't have anything, so it will print p, and third index h, and at 6th index we don't have anything. Suppose if we want to jump to the 6th index, a sixth step, then 0 will be our first character. We will start from the 0. 0 plus 6 will be 6th index, and at 6th index we don't have any character, so it will print only p. So this is how step works in the slicing.